Welcome back, crypto enthusiast. Today, we're diving into the world of Bitpanda Business, the premier investment platform designed specifically for businesses. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, Bitpanda Business offers tailored investment solutions to help you navigate the complexities of the cryptocurrency market. Join us as we explore the features and benefits that make Bitpanda Business the top choice for businesses looking to invest in the future. Comprehensive solutions. Bitpanda Business provides comprehensive solutions that cater to the unique needs of businesses, offering a wide range of investment options and tools to streamline financial operations. From secure cryptocurrency storage and trading to customizable investment strategies and regulatory compliance support, Bitpanda Business ensures businesses have everything they need to succeed in the evolving digital economy. With a focus on simplicity, security, and innovation, Bitpanda Business is the go-to platform for businesses seeking comprehensive investment solutions. Security measures. Bitpanda Business prioritizes security measures to safeguard your assets and data. With robust encryption protocols, multi-factor authentication, and advanced anti-fraud measures, Bitpanda Business ensures the utmost protection for your investments. Through constant monitoring and regular security updates, users can have peace of mind knowing that their funds and sensitive information are safeguarded against potential threats. Additionally, Bitpanda Business employs rigorous KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, procedures to ensure compliance and enhance the integrity of the platform. Rest assured, your investments are in safe hands with Bitpanda Business's robust security infrastructure. User-friendly interface. Bitpanda Business boasts a user-friendly interface, making it effortless for businesses to navigate the platform and execute their investment strategies seamlessly. With intuitive design and clear navigation, users can easily access essential features, monitor their portfolios, and make informed investment decisions. This streamlined interface enhances the overall user experience, ensuring efficiency and convenience for businesses of all sizes. Competitive fees. Bitpanda Business stands out with its competitive fee structure, offering businesses a cost-effective solution for their investment needs. With transparent and competitive fees, Bitpanda Business ensures that businesses can maximize their returns without worrying about excessive costs eating into their profits. This competitive fee model makes Bitpanda Business an attractive option for businesses of all sizes, providing them with the opportunity to invest efficiently and effectively in the cryptocurrency market. Dedicated support. Bitpanda Business provides dedicated support to its users, ensuring that businesses have access to assistance whenever they need it. With a team of knowledgeable experts ready to assist with any questions or concerns, Bitpanda Business offers personalized support to help businesses navigate the platform effectively. Whether you're a new user or a seasoned investor, you can rely on Bitpanda Business to provide the assistance you need to make informed investment decisions and optimize your trading experience. In conclusion, Bitpanda Business stands out as the top investment platform for businesses, offering a range of features and benefits tailored to meet their needs. With seamless user experience, dedicated support, and a wide array of investment options, Bitpanda Business provides businesses with the tools they need to succeed in the digital asset market. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or explore new investment opportunities, Bitpanda Business is here to support you every step of the way. Join Bitpanda Business today and take your business investments to the next level. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on trading strategies, cryptocurrency insights, and financial tips. Stay tuned for our next video, and happy trading!